One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Birthday, dear Chelsea. Happy birthday to you. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and it's pouring rain outside, but we're about to eat some breakfast. It's like 10 o'clock, so we slept in. I never sleep in and I've been working a lot, so it's much needed. So we're gonna have a relaxing day. Hopefully the rain stops soon. Fingers crossed. Puppy massage. Sugar, what do you want to do today? Where do you want to go? What do you want to do? Okay.
Okay, y'all, I just got out of the shower. I woke up like this.
Oh no.
With the sunlight.
People are definitely, you gotta go to this angle.
Yeah, y'all probably creeped out right now.
It's the stash. I'm creeped out right now.
You're the one that said you liked it.
I said do what you makes you feel confident.
No, you specifically walked in the bathroom when I was shaving. I said, hey, come look at this. And you said,
what did I say?
oh, why do I kind of like that?
It's different. You don't ever do it.
It is different. That's why
Cody
I kept
has
it.
a towel on, by the way.
Okay, you're gonna have to edit that out.
No, I just want people to know that you're not naked right now because it looks like you're full on naked, but he's not naked. He's got a towel on. I didn't put foundation on. I just did like some blush, highlight, and some concealer because it's so humid out, and I just did like a low pump.
Okay, no, that's definitely.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change.
Right, we are downtown taking some photos. Yes! Get it, sis! Work it! Here we go. Okay, ready?
Oh, no. Either y'all gonna be doing picture right now?
Yeah, okay.
40 minutes.
I like the stash.
Yeah, it's popping today.
Pop in the shirt, the open, stash is out.
And it's a breeze going.
We're about to go into this antique store, do a little antique shopping. Do you like antique shopping?
Yeah, I like antique shopping.
We like to look for antiques and stuff for
You can find
the house. I love rusticy looking vases. That one's really cute. It's $60. I love looking at all the little jewelry pieces. Like this necklace is cute. Don't need any more gold.
Found this gem of a book.
So cute. It's $40. I know, right? We found Kelsey's drinking glass. Yes, 21. We just got home. Sorry I didn't really film that much. We kind of were just having like a fun, relaxing, like antique shopping day, things like that. But I did get one thing that I wanted to show y'all. I found this vase at an antique store and I think it's so cute. It has like a broken part right here, so it was only $9.99. It says vintage handmade pottery vase, and it has like pieces like almost like a terracotta look. How cute is that? I think it's so pretty. I just like the like neutral like vintage antique look. I think it's really, really cute and just kind of what I'm going for in our house. So just wanted to show y'all what we got really quick. I think we might go to Walmart in a little bit, but just wanted to show you guys a little haul. When we go home tomorrow, I'll find a cute place for this. This is what Sugar does when we get home and is so excited to see Cody.
Hey baby girl, hi sweetie, hi baby.
Good morning. It is Sunday and we're actually heading out right now from Cody's family's house. We just got in the car to leave. It's like 8:55 to be exact. Sugar has to ride in the
She never listens to me.
I need to film some videos today. I need to go to grocery shopping and I need to clean up the house because I've worked 7 days straight and haven't been able to do any of that. We got a little bit litty last night. Did you get litty? I feel like you weren't bad.
Say so.
I don't feel like you were bad though, but you also kind of drank like
I
all
handled
day.
it better last night.
Yeah, you like drank a lot of the day, like slowly.
Spaced it out.
And spaced it out. Cody's mom and sister and I like didn't drink all day. We like started drinking at the end of the day.
Y'all went pretty hard like towards the end of the night.
Roll the clip from last night. All right guys, I'm here to tell you our favorite drink combo. So the key here is to get the Deep Eddies lemon. Okay, so we've gone through quite a bit. And then you do cranberry juice, full cranberry, and then you get the lime. We take the lime, and we're gonna add the lime.
Someone's pissing themselves.
No, I'm not. Okay, and then we're gonna just do a little mixing. Okay, what do you need? What do you need in a drink? You need some lime?
I need some lemon. Not lime, I mean.
We do not have lemons here, but we do have limes. Okay, let me get your lime in the juicer. Okay.
Ready?
One, 2, 10. Juice it down. I feel like this drink is kind of a detox with the lime. I think we're detoxing here.
Definitely that's what it's gonna feel like.
And then you need a knife so that you can mix. The
Stir
knife
that
really
shit up.
stirs it up the best. You can't use a spoon or a fork. It's
a knife.
It's the sharpest steak knife that you have.
It's the tap for me.
Okay. We stopped and got some food at this place called Little Mexico.
When I come back home, it's the only time we can get it. It's so good, y'all.
What do you get?
I get different stuff each time, but I always get a burrito.
I think you get the same thing I do, but in a burrito without the avocado.
Without the avocado. I usually get potato, egg, cheese, and bacon, or sometimes I'll get just bacon, egg, and cheese. Sometimes the potato gets to be too much because they put a lot in there.
And their bacon is like super crispy. It's pretty good though. I feel like it's just enough too. Well, you get 2 burritos.
I have to get 2 because I'm a big bubba.
Well, I just get 1 bowl. And it's not like a ton of food, but like for breakfast, it's like just enough. I don't feel like it's like overkill. Oh, that's a cutie.
So sweet. Yeah, we got a little toss last night.
Okay. Honestly, we don't ever do that. And I feel better doing it like at a house
With family too.
than like going out somewhere and drinking a lot and then being like, okay, hopefully I get home safe.
I don't like being in public places that drunk.
Oh yeah. There's too much like heated situations going on, too much like open for like to get in fights with people.
Because someone always says, like, jokes around or pops off and says something, and then I get pissed.
Yeah. Cody and I just like can't really go out together. I mean, like we do and we have.
I've definitely grown up a lot since college.
We all have. All right, we're taking Sugar on a walk. We just got home. And
Feels good to be back.
I know. The rain stopped for a little bit, so we thought we would take her on a walk. This is what she does. She can't just be like a normal dog. She has to pull like a husky. I am so pale.
She
What?
seriously can't walk normal.
I need to put tanner on ASAP. When I got home, I had a package. My Shein swimsuits are in, so I'm gonna film a Shein swimsuit try on today, and I'm really excited about that. But I'm pale as heck, so don't judge. Do you have Shein swimsuits to try on?
I don't.
Okay.
I'm not as special as you. I don't get to try on stuff.
Oh shoot.
That's a big doggy.
Sugar is in a dog fight right now. Let's do our training here. Ready? Sugar, stay. Sit. Sugar, watch me. Sit. Stay. Okay.
Good girl. She did good that time.
We're about to
She notices it.
cross paths with the squirrel.
Oh,
There she goes, there she goes.
She found it. Oh, she found the squirrel.
Sugar does not mess around with them squirrels.
No, it feels like she's about to rip my arm off.
Alright, get out of their
I wish I could
yard.
just let her roam free. I wish it was that kind of neighborhood.
Sugar thinks that she, like, everyone's yard is her yard. Like, she can just walk freely in everyone's grass. And
Let's
it,
be
like,
real. Sugar owns this neighborhood.
doesn't matter.
It's in her name.
Sugar Block. The street names will be, like, all have to do with sugar. So, like, Squirrel Drive, Choo Choo Street, Cheese Lane. Alrighty, I just filmed my swimsuit haul from Shein. Like, I literally just pressed stop recording. But I'm kind of hungry and I need a snack, but we have zero food. I was like filming these videos and then I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. It was supposed to storm. You guys, I need to say really quick because I'm gonna make a video talking about it, but not this week. But I need to mention this. This is not the right one. I got the wrong. The chicken dipping sauce by Great Value. We got it from Walmart. I kid you not. This is Chick-fil-A sauce. Great Value bottled the Chick-fil-A sauce and is selling it at Walmart. So go get this. This is Chick-fil-A sauce. We have an actual Chick-fil-A sauce right here. And we're gonna keep it and do like a taste test. So we also bought the Costco like chicken nuggets that are like Chick-fil-A's nuggets, and I'm not gonna say what I think of them, so you'll have to go watch that video when I post it. Yeah, I'm gonna finish doing this try on Shein swimsuit video. So I just have a busy filming day since we were gone this weekend, but catch y'all later. Alright, I just finished filming my February favorites, and Cody and I are getting a little hungry. But I'm hungry.
The hacienda sounds good.
But it's not dinner time yet, though. It's 2 o'clock.
I don't know if we have anything here.
We don't. We gotta go to the grocery store. But if we go to the grocery store right now, I'm gonna be so hungry. Maybe my parents will want to go eat like a late lunch, early dinner.
Yeah, I think they'd be down for that.
Okay, let's call them and see what they want to do. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful baby. Oh my goodness.
She's gonna sleep now. I'm not gonna want to sleep tonight.
So beautiful. Oh, that sleepy angel. Oh. I love you so much. Ended up stopping at Blue Goose Cantina. Cody got some fajita nachos. Oh, they look really good. And then I got an enchilada plate.
Very good with that fajita beef.
But we were just coming for a snack, and
The thing is, though, this is on the appetizer menu,
it's
and they give you so much, so.
eating and going to Trader Joe's. We didn't film at Trader Joe's, but you saw us at the Blue Goose. Is that what it's called? Blue Goose Cantina?
Yeah, Blue Goose.
Anyway, so I'm just putting away my groceries right now. Let me put you on a stand. Okay, so I found a place for our new vase. Hold on, ignore this coffee cup. So this is our new vase pottery that we got from that antique store, and it has this like chip in it right here. So that's why we got it for $9. But I think that it looks so cute on our table. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
It looks really good.
It goes with the table.
I wanted to put it either here, or I thought about putting it in our bedroom. I actually made the bed today. I thought about putting it here because I have had these here for a long time. these better here. I think I like these better here because we have this wood bowl that is kind of like it has kind of an old vintagey look, and so I think it's too rustic vintagey. This. Or what if I did like this, where I had them like inside this? That kind of looks nice.
Changes it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
I don't know, something different. Add some layering.